Skelligs was a monastic settlement from the 5th, 6th century, continually out until about the 12th or 13th century. But then it was abandoned as a monastic settlement about the 12th or 13th century. And then they used this, they settled here. It is thought that there was a building here from that time, that the two things ran in tandem. Right. But this would be a much later development. The stone structure would be maybe 12th or 13th century, you know. But it is believed now that there was a settlement here prior to that, which was going in tandem, connected with the Skelligs. These things here, you had a loft here, and you had timbers going across, and this is where they lived on the upper part of this. And amazingly enough, down underneath here was a granary, and it was used for giving alms to the poor. It was a hospital as well. So it is of major significance, major importance, and was of major importance to the area. You had everything enclosed here for the local community. There's a room here. It was known as Oher na Folla, the room of the blood. Now, there are different theories of why it is called that. More than likely, it might have been associated with people being buried there during the Black Plague, and that nobody wanted to go near it. And nobody, it turned into a graveyard, you know, subsequently, but there was nobody buried in that particular room until the first person that was buried there was 1974. So it'll show you how strong that tradition was there. There was people buried everywhere, and that was known as Oher na Folla.